All right, so anyway, I bought these, electrical testing kit, and this one's very interesting because it's very simple to use. I've got it on the on position right now. All I have to do is bring it over close to it, and it shows me that it's live. This one's turned off. If I turn it on, that's on, that's on. On, on, this one's off, turn it on, the current flows. So that's, here's another one over here, we'll try this one. Now I've got one over here I'm checking out, and I go in here, nothing. Even when I put it inside, I don't get anything. So I'm thinking that this thing here is a dead outlet. So we're gonna take it apart and check it out. The way this works is all you have to do is just turn it to the on position. You hear a little beep, off position, on position. And it can feel the electricity in your body too. It's really sensitive. Sometimes I can get it to beep just by doing this. So it's picking up like an amp or something off of me, which is interesting. So this is the name of it. It's called a Allosun Voltage detector GK7. On and off buttons here. I got it on right now. Warning, test before using. All right. So you want to make sure that it works. And we did test it on the other outlets and it is working. So that way we don't think that something doesn't have electricity and then we kill ourselves by taking it apart. So I took the faceplate off and I'm getting inside here and I'm not getting anything really. Not a thing. Getting a little beep. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this out and take a look at it. See if there's any wires that come to it, if any of them are hot. So I gotta unscrew these two screws. And I got it loose enough I can just, this is probably not the way to do it because if it had a live wire on anywhere there crossed, it would shock the shit out of you. So let's take a look and see what's on this thing. All right, so could be just so we gotta check those two down there and see if they're any good. So let's take a look. First of all, we gotta make sure that this is on. Turn it to the on position. That's off. That's on. All right, so let's see if we got anything here. So here, check it out. That's on. See if we got anything. Nothing. Nothing. So these are dead wires. There's nothing coming out of those wires. So that's a dead socket. Can't use it. All right, so that's how you use the Allosun Voltage Detector GK7. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.